How to change Steam account on Faceit. So hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can change a Steam account on Faceit. So for that, you have to go to support.faceit.com, and after that, you have to click on the account management from here. As you can see, after clicking on account management, you just have to scroll down and click on enabling two-factor authentication or pins badges help, and you just have to click on the enabling two-factor authentication, nickname changes, change your email address, anyone, and after that you just have to click on the contact us option from there. Can I have more than? And as you can see, the contact us option here, you can just simply click on there and give your email address, your contact reason. You just click on account and game management, my account, and select any of them, and Faceit profile, you give your Faceit profile URL. You can just select from the game, region, game ID, subject, description, attachment. You can write your problem here about the Steam and the accounts, and then you can just submit, and they will contact with you, and you can just tell your problem to them, and they will give you a solution from official Faceit support team. So that's it for this video. See you on the next one.